Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password, pattern or wherever, and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of miserable situation? So firstly, what you will have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up, like this, then select power off.
For that, you'll have to turn off airplane mode.
Okay. So let's try once again, power off. Okay, so it requires PIN code
For that, you'll have to turn off airplane mode.
to turn off your device. Okay, so let's try this method. So firstly, you have to hold down power key plus volume down at the same time for about 7 seconds in order to forcefully turn your device off. And after the screen goes off, you have to quickly release keys and hold them once again. And after that, you will end up in this kind of menu. So here in this menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select this option, recovery mode. When you have see this screen with no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset, then factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete here, that means that all the data is wiped from your device, including your data, media, files, contacts and lock screen password. Then you should select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.